One question I get is, should I blow or not blow? You know, a lot of people may try to call a lawyer in the middle of the night and give them a little bit of information and say, do I need to blow or do I not blow? So let's talk a minute about the differences. It's very hard to say absolutely, should you blow or should you not blow? There are penalties associated with not taking a breath test. Briefly, if you don't take a breath test or submit to a blood test, A, you're going to lose your license automatically for 30 days. B, there's a chance you're going to lose your license for up to a year at DMV for refusing to take the breath test. C, an experienced lawyer who knows how to deal with these issues may not be able to tell you the right advice in the middle of the night. You may have a very important job. You may have a government job. You may have a CDL. You may have security clearances that you have to deal with. So it's not an absolute thing. Obviously, there are advantages to not taking a breath test, but you really can't figure those out at 2 or 3 in the morning with a police officer sitting right beside you saying, hurry up and get off the phone. And oh, by the way, if you're making that call at 2 or 3 in the morning, please realize that everything you tell that lawyer on the phone is being recorded by the police. It's very difficult. So we don't necessarily recommend that you should blow or should not blow. What I would say about this is there are distinct advantages if you do not have a breath test or a blood test in your DWI case. The state then has to prove your guilt by a thing called appreciable impairment. I've said for years there is an exponential chance to get out of your DWI if there is no number associated with your case. However, there are downsides. You're probably going to lose your license. You got to consider how it's going to impact your job or affect your way of making a living. You might be a mother with kids. What am I going to do with my kids? How am I going to get them to school if I don't have a driver's license? Those are all very valid concerns. Sometimes you have to make a choice. Do I want to get a chance to win my DWI, or do I want to be able to drive around if I get convicted? Those are hard choices to make at 3 a.m.